Ever since I was young, I've always been interested in the engineering industry, firstly starting with technical drawing as I have persons around me in that field. And just as I grew older, I learned more about it and I wanted to do something with that. And I was checking through MIC website and I saw they had the MAC program. I saw it had engineering, industrial, machine shop, and mechatronics. When I looked further into what mechatronics was, because I didn't really know, I saw it was about like robotics and stuff, and I also had a little bit of feel with robotics when I was in secondary school.
When you hear the word mechatronics, a lot of people don't know it's the integration of mechanical and electrical joined together. So it sounds like something new, but it's heavily integrated within the industry. This is to bring about this, how it is connected, and bring about the knowledge in which we can use it within an industry. So it's quite an advantage to one person. You could work in multiple fields. You have the knowledge of different fields. Within the field of work, you think about where to go. I personally wouldn't like, let's say, an office job. So I would think more hands-on approach. So this has taught us hands-on approach as well as technical approach.
You can come and learn about these skills, see what you like. You are getting different aspects, different skills, learning different things. It's not just one thing you're learning like 10 plus things.